A blinking amber light on your Rogers router, often labeled Internet or Online, indicates a loss of downstream signal from the cable network. This prevents internet access and is commonly due to issues with your coax cable or splitter. Rogers delivers internet through coaxial cables. The router receives RF signals and demodulates them into usable data. When the light blinks amber, it means the router isn't receiving that signal properly. First, try power cycling your router. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary signal issues. If the light continues to blink, inspect your coaxial cables for damage or loose connections. Pay special attention to where the cable connects to the wall outlet and the router. These issues have become increasingly common with Rogers' DOCSIS 3.1 network upgrades across Canada. If the power cycle and cable check don't resolve the issue, the problem likely lies with your coax splitter. This is especially prevalent in apartments where splitters are shared. Bypass the splitter by connecting the coax cable directly from the wall to your router. If this fixes the problem, the splitter is faulty and needs replacing. Ensure any replacement splitter is rated for Rogers frequencies up to 1.2 GHz. Also, ensure all connections are tight. For persistent issues, especially after storms, Rogers may need to install a grounding kit. If you are still experiencing the issue, contact Rogers for a free technician visit, especially if the problem is related to a wider outage or corroded building splitter. Many issues are fixable at home, but external faults may require professional assistance.